Yo, what's going down? It's Top Cyberdog here, checking in with another SOC alert that I walked down on the LetsDefend platform. The alert this week was SOC169, titled Possible IDOR Attack. For those not in the know, IDOR stands for Insecure Direct Object Reference. Now imagine you have a box of toys and each toy has a special number on it. Now suppose your friend has a box too, but they don't know their toy numbers. If your friend figures out how to change the number of their toy to match yours, they could take your toy without asking. This is kind of like an IDOR attack. For some truth in the details, check out my write-up on the attack via my Medium blog, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.